Everyone, it's Patrick from Magnetic Nerd Federation, and once again it's time for an episode of Printing with Pat, so let's just get into it. For this episode, we're doing something a little special. It's almost Christmas time here, so we joined up on the Punished Props Secret Santa giveaway, so the person we drew gets a nice custom painted Call of Duty ray gun. The file for this gun came off of Thingiverse, which I will link that below. And one cool thing to note about this particular file is the man made it hollow in order to accept electronics, although we chose to leave ours just your standard prop. Once I got all the files downloaded, I sliced them up and the prusa went to work. It took about 50 hours altogether to complete this print. And for this project, we used 3D Solutex Black PLA. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Nothing shifted, the layers all came out fine, and nothing printed pretty wonky. After all the pieces were cleaned up, I glued them all together, and then I filled the seams in with a contour putty and rough sanded kind of everything before I sent it off to priming. Once all the sanding and priming was done, I had to touch up a few spots here and there. And then once I finished that, it was sent on to my wife to get all the details painted on. The paint job for the gun was really simple. It was just a base coat of red, and all the other details were hand painted on. Acrylic wash to kind of dirty and muck it up a little bit. Normally, it's just me taking the print from start to finish, but given the special nature of this project, we thought that everyone here should play a role. The very last thing that was done was to seal it all in with a clear coat. This project was a fun little thing to do for the holidays. It got us into the spirit of the holidays, and by the time this airs, this gun will hopefully be in its new home, helping kill many zombies. Oh, one more thing. Because we're in the holiday spirit here at Magnetic Nerd, we feel that our subscribers need a little gift too. So we are going to be giving away this, a spool of Matter Hackers Silver Build PLA. Hey everyone, it's Future Pat. You're probably thinking to yourself, wait a minute, it's not Christmas anymore. Well, you're right. It's actually February now. We got lost in the hustle and bustle of the holidays and are a little bit late pushing this video out. But we still want to do a giveaway. So the Matter Hackers PLA is up for grabs still. The contest is going to run from 3 weeks. The link to that contest will be in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching, good luck, and I will see you next time.